How's it going, guys? We are continuing the crazy rear-wheel drive V8 Prelude. Yesterday we pulled the engine out. There it is right there. And now the engine bay is empty. Still got to work on getting rid of everything in the way of the firewall. But what my goal is today is to start stripping the interior because I'm going to have to cut through the firewall, so I need to have a clear path. And most of this transmission is going to be sitting in this area here, so I need to free up as much space as possible and take everything out that's going to be in the way, the dash, the seats, the carpet, everything. So that's what I'm going to work on today, and who knows how far I'll get. I worked pretty late yesterday, so if I get a little bit done today, I'd be happy. So we'll see what happens. Alright, I'd say that's pretty good for, I don't know, I think it maybe took me too long, but it was about an hour. But hey, it's done. Alright, not bad, not bad. I still have a lot more to rip out, but I think that's a good start for today. It's a quick little video, but I just wanted to show the progress. So yeah, again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Just kidding, I'm back. So I did record a few days ago, but I realized I didn't really get much. If I was going to make a time lapse out of that, it'd be a short video anyway, so I'm going to continue what I was doing. I'm going to keep ripping stuff out, so welcome back. There's basically everything that I've been ripping out. The seats, steering wheel, spare tire, heater core, a bunch of important stuff probably, but you know what? It all has to come out so that I can make my project work, and then we work around the new engine and transmission. Now most people would look at this stuff and say like, they'd be pretty scared, because a lot of people wouldn't know what they're taking apart or whatever it may be. But for me, I'm terrified because I really don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know I'm taking things apart and I know relatively what I'm taking apart, but I don't know exactly what's going back in. I don't know what I have to cut out. What I'm doing though is getting to the point where I know I need to be. A blank slate. I know I need to get everything out of my way. I know I need to mock up where the transmission is gonna sit, which is gonna be right through the firewall here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just learning as I go. Really, like, people would see me doing this and they would assume that I knew exactly what I was doing, or, you know, I had years of experience. I really don't. I'm just learning as I go. I got a lot of people who've been helping me who know a lot more than me, and I'm learning as much as I can from them. So I do what I know I can do, ripping things out. Anyone can do that. But then when it gets to the important stuff, that's when I'm gonna need to, you know, brainstorm with a bunch of my buddies and my father-in-law and really try to get an idea of what's going on. So don't be fooled, okay? I really am not no expert. I just have a garage and some tools, and I can pull things apart. So anyone can do what I'm doing, really. Anyways, with that being said, I'm pretty happy with today's progress. I got a lot more than I thought I was gonna get done. I was actually gonna edit videos, but our power kept going in and out because of a storm. But anyways, I'm glad I got on this car. A lot got done, but yeah, again, I appreciate you guys following my progress with this and watching and, you know, posting those nice comments, and it really means a lot to me. So yeah, I really appreciate that, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.